If you're looking for project management software, then today you're in the right place. We're having a look at Jira and we're also having a look at Rally. We want to know which one is best suited for your business needs. So without further ado, let's climb in. Now, who hasn't heard of Jira software? Jira is quite a leader in project management. So they offer customizable workflows. So Jira lets teams tailor workflows to match unique project needs. You can define statuses, transitions, and rules to optimize your executions. This increases efficiency overall, and it provides more of a clear, more visual progress tracking. You can actually adapt workflows easily to meet changing project demands as well as complexities. Now, I am a visual thinker, so this for me is a fantastic thing. Also, you get agile reporting, so you get real-time insights. You can track velocity, sprint burnout, and cumulative flow for accuracy. You also get to make data-driven decisions rather than hoping and guessing in the dark. And it offers visual dashboards, which are clear charts to simplify monitoring of key agile metrics quite efficiently. Having a look at their issue tracking as well over here, you can actually use their complete task capture over here. So you can actually record bugs, you can have your user stories and your tasks throughout your project cycles. Also, it is a powerful search and filter, so you can actually quickly find and prioritize critical issues for fast resolution, and you get a full audit trail. So you can track all the detailed histories to boost accountability as well as team collaboration. Some of their integrations, which is fantastic, it includes things like Confluence, Bitbucket, Slack, and a ton more. If you are working with software already, when you jump over here to Jira, then it will be fantastic to be able to integrate them and work with them all in one centralized place. One or two of their drawbacks. It's quite a complex setup, so initially your configuration can be quite difficult. It may require you to hire in somebody to get it up and running for you. Then also large projects with many users can slow Jira. This, of course, is a performance issue, and it can really delay your project completion. Okay, so we're looking at Rally now, and Rally is actually brought to you by Broadcom. It offers real-time status tracking. So Rally offers this real-time tracking across your departments. It keeps your teams updated on progress and bottlenecks, and it also helps teams make quick, more data-driven decisions which are aligned to your business or your project goals. The other thing is their customizable dashboards. You get role-based views, visual progress, and capacity forecasts. Dashboards adjust to show Scrum, Kanban, or even custom layouts per team role. Burn-down charts display remaining work and can help track sprint length. Teams can adjust tasks early based on projected workload as well as their performance. Also, you get a user story management. So you can input name, description, criteria, and align with the features easily. User stories connect with test cases and defects for quality assurance, and you get structured processes which keep projects aligned with your business goals. Two of the main drawbacks here is the steep learning curve. Of course, it does have tons of features. Obviously, it's going to have a lot to learn. You're not going to just pick it up in a day or two. Also, it has a metric over reliance. So it's focused on numbers, risks, and it ignores quantitative insights and customer value, which can be a bit of an imbalance. So there you go, folks. That's software in a nutshell. You can go ahead and drop a like if this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more, you can visit their website, and we will see you in another awesome video.